Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's Shielo's food trips. So, what I have for tonight? So, I have this, two sunny side up, a Lucky Me mi-goring, and ube. So, ube is really one of my favorite food. What do you call for favorite snack? So, it's like hopya, but it's more I like more the dice. Then I have a cup of coffee, so it's Tura, my favorite, because it's buy one take one. So I'm using my chapstick. So you can see my shirt. It is my inner shirt. Then I have soaked it for how many days. And this is the result. It was like I put on chlorine on it. And sad to say, it's bunny, because I really buy some inner shirts for my duty purposes. Then it's bunny, guys. It's kinda it's sad because it has a brand. Then I just soak it in how many days. Then this is what happened. So let's start eating. No more talking. I'm hungry, Char. Not hungry, I just want to eat a lot. So I was thinking if I put some ketchup on my sunny side up, but then again I put a lot of pepper on it, so maybe ketchup is not good to add, diba? So I want to chopstick, guys. Actually, it was 6 pieces, but then again I really craving because it's been a while that I have eat dice, so that's it. I eat one piece earlier after I brought this. Hmm, it's really OB. And I have my cold. It's coming. Flu pala. So sorry. Then because nga I have been drinking continuously the cold drinks. So this is the result. And earlier in the morning, I really have a such so I really have a bad headache. I have I have take to Rexidol in order for me to overcome it. And it's super ouch. It's really aching. So it's mi-goring. Lucky me mi-goring. Indonesian style noodles. Mm. It's spicy. I want to drink, but then again I have my hot coffee, so I can't drink. I'm already, I don't know how much kilos I was now, because I was straight eat a lot, diba? So I really gain weight. Maybe I add another 1 kilo, so maybe I'm 41 kilos now. But earlier I don't eat a lot. I don't take any food. I just eat Richie, yung wafer. Pero it's malaki, it's big pack. So I already my stomach was adopt the yung eating a lot system. Because before, if I have this if I have my food trip, like I'm cooking a lot of like this, pancit canton, I can't really eat all of my food that I prepare because nga I get my I get my stomach so super full already. But then it already adjust. Maybe it was expand, that's why I'm getting weight. So kasi before to I really eat super little amount of food. Even like this, or even like junk foods, I guess. Or I'm just eating yung 5 pieces of hi-ho, which is 1 peso, one peso, then a piece of biscuit, and a glass of coffee. That's what I eat. Then sometimes it's good for 2 meals. Like I'm wake up because I don't have work. I wake up at 9 or 8. Then it's already my breakfast and lunch. Then I don't have any snack. Then I will have my food intake and another food intake. And it was in the evening in for dinner. So that's why I really like I'm super malnourished, or yung skinny na yung untidy look because nga it not on proper diet. It's really hard to control your diet, especially when you are before, because I was really scared of gaining weight. So every time I take food which is not like a little amount of food intake compared to my daily food intake, so I really feel that I was already fat like that. Then every time it has an occasion, then lechon is one of our tradition every we have occasion. So lechon is the main dish, right? So what I have before, if I have attended some occasions of, or we have an occasion, I don't really eat so too much lechon. Then now that I was eating, so super ang sarap ko, sayang 'di ba? I haven't eat those. I haven't enjoyed the lechon, 'di ba? So now I'm not enjoying the food. I just want to eat because I'm not really eating a lot the whole day, the whole time, the whole day. So I'm just eating like when I'm doing this, when I'm doing the food trip. Because but maybe maybe I'll do another food trip maybe after payday, ganun ganun, or 3 days after the payday, because I don't really want to oh I don't really want to get fat as usual, because I don't really want to get fat. It's hard for me to think that I will get fat. Maybe gaining a little weight is, yeah, it's good. See, afraid before to eat more, but now I'm not certain. It was salty. I put a lot of salt. It's kind of spicy and the food was stuck on my esophagus. Ay, sorry. Hmm. I try to sip some coffee, guys. If I can sip it, because it's hot. So right now I'm using my my ring light because the last time it was broken. Then I have been fixed it. Then it can already hold my phone. So hope it will not fall. Good for me. I have my tempered glass and a back cover. It never broken. This is so it's already have price increase because before yung small size is only cost 20 plus, but now it was cost 30 plus. So I'm a little big, but still I can use my old pants, which is it has size 26, waistline is size 25. So I'm not that really get fat, but then I just have this yung baby fats every time I get full. That's why every morning I don't really eat too much in order for me to not to to not get to get not to not get big. So I guess it's done, guys, because it's hard to pick it with a chopstick. So it's really not good to have food trips with a hot drinks. You can drink easily. Okay, so that's it. Maybe that's it for now. So I am done eating. So as always, I want to say good evening, have a good night, and happy eating.